how to use Google Drive files offline. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, you are gonna go to the Google Drive option on your mobile. As I go to the Google Drive option, then I have to click on the file that I want to save as offline. I have to click on it, and it will take some time to open because it's my WordPress site, but I don't want to open it. So I have to go to these three lines that are located up above. Then there are different kinds of options. There is a download option. Now I can download it by clicking it download, but I can also do is make available offline by clicking it made available offline. As I click over here, and this file will be made available even if I am offline. This is how you can access Google Drive files even you are offline. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.